Hi everyone, this is Caleb over at Perris Auto Repair Center. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about transmission servicing. So we got this Volvo here that was brought to us, and we did our maintenance inspection on it. We did our inspection and we saw that the transmission fluid was really dirty. So we called the customer to recommend the transmission fluid service, and they said that they had it serviced about a month ago. Well, whoever serviced it, supposedly serviced it, we don't really call it a service, but they just did a drain and refill, or maybe suction, extraction, and fill. But all you're doing when you do that is mixing a little bit of new fluid with a lot of old fluid, and you're not really getting the benefit of the transmission service. It's really just a waste of money. So the way we do it is we hook up our machine to the vehicle in line with transmission lines, and run the vehicle with a cleaner in it. And then once we start it and hook up the machine, all the old fluid gets dumped out into our bucket, and new fluid gets pumped into the car. And we'll keep running it until only clean fluid comes out of the transmission. That way, you know, all the fluid in the transmission itself is clean. So here's our transmission fluid flush machine. I'll hook it to the car, connect to the transmission itself, and I want to show you the fluid that's coming out of it. So I've already ran about 10 quarts of transmission fluid, and as you can see, it's really dark. It's like a dark brown. It's supposed to be like a pinkish red, bright color. So I'm going to turn on the machine so you can see what the fluid's looking like after I ran about 15 quarts through it. So you can see it's gotten much cleaner than it was before. But this is the way we do it. So we don't stop this service until this fluid coming out of the transmission looks like brand new fluid. And then we seal up the system, top it off with fluid, and you're good to go. So here's a little video of the fluid after it's been ran through our machine. This is nearing the end of the cycle. I've ran about 18 quarts through this thing to get it to come out clean the way it is right now. But that's what you want it to look like once the service is complete. So in conclusion, when you want to have your vehicle's transmission serviced, make sure you take it to somewhere that's doing a full fluid service, not just a drain refill or extract and refill, because then, like I said before, all you're doing is mixing a little bit of new fluid with a lot of old fluid, and you're just getting all old fluid basically. And you're not getting the benefit of a full service, so your transmission is not getting serviced the way it's supposed to, and you're wasting money. So it's not good for anybody.